Hi everyone, welcome to today's session on Insightful Maths. We'll be discussing the topic Integers Class 6 today. Okay, so I request everyone, please keep your notebooks ready so that you can take the notes in between the chapter. Okay, so the topic integer includes the negative numbers as well as the whole numbers. So before starting what integer actually incorporates, let's have a quick recap. What are the whole numbers? The smallest set of numbers is the set of natural numbers. We know that it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. It goes till infinity. That is the smallest set of numbers. If I add 1 0 to this number, that means other than these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, if I add one more 0, this set is known as the set of whole numbers. But till here, we have taken either 0 or all the positive numbers. But we have seen so many numbers which are negative also. But till now, we have not taken those negative numbers. So other than these positive numbers and 0, if we take the negative numbers also, that complete set is known as the set of integers. Please have a look. This integer includes negative numbers plus whole numbers. Whole numbers I have just told you. Whole number means starting from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. All the positive numbers. So 0, all the positive numbers and all the negative numbers. These all are coming under integers. Okay, I hope this much is fine. So please do not forget, if somebody asks you if 0 is an integer, answer is yes, 0 is an integer, because positive and negative we know already, those are integers. But at times we get confused if 0 is also an integer or not. Answer is yes, 0 is an integer, but it is a neutral integer, neither positive nor negative. Correct? Correct. Now we are learning integers, but we should know that where the integers or the negative numbers are actually being used. It is very important to know the usage of these numbers. Have a look. You must have seen that temperature, -5, -10, 0 degree. 0 is still okay, we know that. But negative numbers, temperature is being given the negative number. Okay? Extremely colder places, they have the temperature in negatives. This is one of the usage of integers. Another is for financial transaction. Financial transaction means if you are giving money, if you are taking money, if you are depositing money in your bank, if you are taking money out of your bank account, if you have incurred any profit or loss. In सारे number में there has to be a plus or minus sign given, which is again the usage of integer. For example, if I have let's say purchased a pen for 100 rupees and I have sold this pen for 120 rupees. How much extra have I sold it for? 100 rupees I have purchased and I have sold it for 120 rupees. Extra how much I have earned? That is rupees 20. This is my profit. Profit always has to be given a positive sign. Profit is always a positive integer and loss is always written as a negative integer. अब अगर ये 100 रुपीज़ वाला पेन जो मैंने 100 रुपीज़ में परचेज किया, if I would have sold it at 80 rupees, ज़्यादा में खरीदा था and I have sold it at lesser price. So what is my loss? That is 20 rupees. And if I need to write this 20 as an integer, answer would have been -20. Okay, so please make sure when you are writing the integers, plus and minus has to be written. Agar integer is plus, no need to write plus. But if it is a negative number, it is a mandate. It is required to write the minus sign. Correct? So one, usage is in temperature. Another one, financial transaction, profit, loss, depositing the money. मेरा एक बैंक अकाउंट है, ठीक है. If I am putting in 500 rupees, तो do you think the balance will go up? Something is added to my account. The deposit will be taken as positive 500. And if I have taken out, let's say 1000 rupees from my bank account, मेरे बैंक में लेट्स से 20,000 रुपीज थे, 1,000 I have taken out. So the money has gone down. If something is decreasing, it has to be given a negative value. So how much have I taken out? 1,000, and as an integer it will be minus 1,000. Okay? Next one. Now elevation above the sea level positive number, below the sea level negative number. आप देखो, if this is your sea level, if you are going up, let's say there is a plane which is flying at a height of, let's say, 1,000 meter above the sea level. It is above, it will be plus 1,000. Let's say if there is a submarine which is, let's say, 500 meter below the sea level. Below the sea level number will be taken as a minus 1. This will come with the usage. There is nothing to worry about. Above the sea level positive, below the sea level negative. Profit is positive, loss is negative. Temperatures below 0 degree, temperature below 0 degree. अगर 0 से कम है, that is below 0 degree, that is minus. And if it is above 0 degrees, then it has to be taken as plus. In the similar manner, direction usage also can be given as an integer. If you are, let's say, at this position, you are going towards east, plus, going towards west, minus, going up, north will be taken as plus, and going down towards south, it will be taken as minus. So if question comes, you are at this position A and you travel, let's say, 20 kilometer towards the west. Give it an integer. आप यहाँ पे थे, आप west में गए 20 kilometer. We know that going left or towards west is a negative integer. So your answer will be minus 20. ठीक है? Profit positive, loss negative, below 0 degree minus, above 0 degree plus, above the sea level positive, below the sea level negative. If you are depositing the money in your bank account, आप अगर deposit कर रहे हो, deposit is positive. Deposit means putting in something. And if you are taking the money out, which is withdrawal, that will be considered as a negative integer. ठीक है? In all these scenarios, as per your level, you can just understand these examples. This will be a good usage of integers. Now coming on to the next topic, that means how do we show the integers on a number line and how do we compare this? Have a look at here. This is a number line. Beta, the basic definition of line says it can be extended indefinitely in both the direction. तो एक चीज आप याद रखोगे, when you are making a number line, please ensure to put these two arrows at the end. ठीक है? This arrow shows that the line, we are making a line, not a line segment. It can be extended in both the directions. In the mid of this number line, there will be a 0. It is, have a look here. It is neither negative nor positive, but it is an integer. On the right of 0, we have all the positive integers. On the left of the 0, we are having all the negative integers. Okay? So if anyone asks you, show the integer 2 on a number line. So what you're supposed to do? Make a number line like this. 0 at the middle. One thing you have to make sure, the distance between two consecutive numbers has to be same. Consecutive means one after the other. जैसे 0 के बाद 1, 1 के बाद 2, 2 के बाद 3, then 4. These are consecutive integers. So the distance between these has to be kept constant. You should use a ruler for measuring the distance and then mark the position. So showing 2 on a number line, make a number line like this and mark a dot here. This is your position 2. If somebody asks you, show -3 on a number line, make the number line like this. At equal distance, make the points and circle here at -3. This is your -3. Okay, it is quite easy. You people know this already. Now comes the comparison of integers. Which is bigger, which is smaller. एक basic चीज हम याद रखेंगे. As we are going right on the number line, the value of the integer is increasing. As we are going left on the number line, the value of the integer is decreasing. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो. Is 1 greater than 0? If I'm going right, I want right. Is 1 greater? It is correct. I'm going again right. 2. Is 2 greater than 1? That's correct. I'm going more right. Let's say I have reached 5. Is 5 greater than 2? It is correct. तो जिसका मतलब जैसे जैसे मैं right जाते जा रही हूँ, the value of the integer is increasing. ठीक है. Now if I compare between -4 and 4, ठीक है, मान लो my question is out of -4 and 4 which is bigger. तो हमें एक चीज पता होनी चाहिए, out of these two number whichever is towards more towards right on the number line, that is a greater integer. ठीक है, अब आप -4 और 4 में देखो, which is towards more towards right hand side, it is 4, so 4 is greater. ठीक है, तो अब now without even saying number line you can make out 0 is less than all the positive integer. आप देखो 0 के राइट में सारे पॉजिटिव इंटीजर होते हैं, तो 0 हमेशा लेफ्ट में ही होगा. 0 is lesser than all the positive integers, but 0 is greater than all the negative integers. 0 के लेफ्ट में क्या होता है? Have a look. 0 के लेफ्ट में all the negative integers are there. तो जैसे जैसे मैं राइट जाऊंगी नेगेटिव इंटीजर में, तो 0 सबसे ज्यादा राइट में होगा फॉर द नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स. So 0 is always greater than negative integers but less than positive integers. Another thing, if one negative and one positive integer is given, no matter what the value is, positive will always be greater. ठीक है, confusion पता है कहाँ आता है? When two negative integers are given. For example, I am having -2 and -1. Now, students generally think कि 2 तो 1 से बड़ा होता है, तो -2 should be greater than -1. बेटा, please do not forget the position of the integers. अब देखो -2 is here, यहाँ पर है ना -2, and -1 is here, which is towards right on the number line. ज़्यादा right में कौन सा है? ये तो -1 है. And we know that as we are going right on the number line, the value is increasing. So that means -1 is greater than -2. -1 छोटा नहीं है. -1 in fact is the greatest negative integer. It is greatest negative integer. ये आप याद रखोगे. Greatest positive integer हम नहीं बता सकते because positive numbers go till infinity. आगे कहाँ तक जाएगा हमें नहीं पता. लेकिन जैसे जैसे मैं लेफ्ट में जाऊंगी, the value of integer is going down. And as I'm getting right, the value of the integer is increasing. तो नेगेटिव में सबसे बड़ा इंटीजर कौन सा हुआ? That is -1. ठीक है. Now I'll ask you a question. If I have -100 and +100, just stop the video and give the answer yourself. Out of -100 and 100, which is greater? Of course, positive numbers or positive integers are greater. 100 is greater. Out of -100 and 0, which is greater? We know that positive integers are always, or 0 is always greater than -1. Another one is out of -100 and -20, which is greater? आप -100 देखो, मुझे कितना पीछे जाना पड़ेगा for showing -100. But -20 will be somewhere around here. So which is more towards right? 100 or 20? It is -20. So -20 is greater. आप याद रखोगे for negative integers ये reverse होता है. The number which looks smaller is generally a bigger number. ठीक है? Let's come to the next topic. Let us see one of the calculation using the number line. ठीक है? अब मुझे अब आप एक चीज याद रखना, when I am adding something, अगर मैं कुछ ऐड कर रही हूँ, I have to go to right on the number line. It's a basic sense. We have just studied that as we are going right, the value is increasing. तो अगर मुझे कुछ ऐड करना है, मुझे right जाना पड़ेगा. And if I have to subtract something, I need to go left on the number line. इतना आप याद रखोगे, ठीक है? अब दो कैलकुलेशन हम करते हैं यूजिंग द नंबर लाइन. इफ आई हैव टू शो -2 + 4, मुझे ये नंबर लाइन पे शो कर. One thing you have to keep in mind, this first number is your initial position, जहाँ से आपको शुरू कर. So which is your initial position here? That is -2. Put a dot here. हम यहाँ से शुरू कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? मैंने -2 मार्क कर दिया. After that, it is written +4. Plus means you are adding something. You are going right on the number line. How many positions right? 4 positions right. Please have a look. How will you show it? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make an arrow here that we have reached. That's your answer. -2 + 4 is this -2 + 4, your answer is +2. ठीक है, हमने क्या किया? आप ध्यान से देखो. -2 पे हमने शुरू किया. +4 means we have gone 1, 2, 3, 4 positions right. And where have we reached? It is +2. That's your answer. In the similar manner, you can show the subtraction as well. Let me do a subtraction question also for you. Let us say we have to show 4 - 6 on the number line. ठीक है, मुझे 4 - 6 दिखाना है. This first number is your initial position, where you are starting from. I put a circle at 4. Let me just erase the previous one so that you are able to understand it better. Okay, so I have to show 4 - 6 on a number line. My initial position is 4. I put a dot at 4, that I am starting from here. Beta, minus means going left or right. There is a minus sign. I told you. Plus means going right, minus means going left. So we have to go left. How many positions left? 6 positions left. Let's go 6 positions left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Where have you reached? You have reached -2. That's your answer. So +4 - 6, your answer is -2. पहले आप क्या करोगी? Practice these plus and minus questions using the number line. After that, you can easily do these questions even without number line. I'll show you how. Okay. Have a look at these rules for adding and subtracting the integers. अगर आपको addition समझ में आ गया, subtraction is very, very easy. If you're having 2 positive integers and you're adding, you'll just add them. Answer देखो. If I'm adding 4 + 3, आगे माइनस साइन नहीं है ना कहीं भी, ये भी पॉजिटिव है, ये भी पॉजिटिव है. When 2 positive integers are given, you just add the number. 4 + 3 is 7 and this will again be positive. That is the first rule. अब हो सकता है ये दोनों नंबर नेगेटिव हो. Integers can be negative also. So -5, it is a -1, plus -3, which is again negative. आप याद रखोगे, जब दोनों इंटीजर का साइन सेम होता है, या तो दोनों पॉजिटिव हो या दोनों नेगेटिव हो, आपको इन दोनों केसेस में सिर्फ ऐड करना है. ठीक है, अगर दोनों पॉजिटिव है तो भी आप ऐड करोगे, दोनों नेगेटिव है तो भी आप ऐड करोगे. सो 5 + 3 इट इज 8. लेकिन अगर मैं दो नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स को ऐड कर रही हूँ, आंसर कैन नॉट बी पॉजिटिव, सो इट हैज टू बी -8. ठीक है, या फिर जस्ट लिसन, व्हेन यू आर एडिंग एनी टू इंटीजर्स, द साइन ऑफ बिगर नंबर विल फॉलो. अब 5 और 3 में कौन सा बड़ा है? इट इज 5 and 5 is a negative number. You can put minus here. One more you can try. If I say -3 + -7, try this one. 2 negative integers. Have a look. अगर दोनों पॉजिटिव हैं तो भी ऐड करोगी, दोनों नेगेटिव हैं तो भी ऐड करोगी. Are these two negative? दोनों नेगेटिव है ना? Simply add the numbers. 3 + 7 is 10. What is the sign of bigger number here? It is minus. Answer is -10. ठीक है. Another now, यहाँ पे था when both the integers are of same sign. या तो दोनों positive या दोनों negative. What did we do? We have just added the integers and the sign of bigger one. अब आप सीन देखो. If one integer is positive, 6 positive है, मैं इसमें क्या ऐड कर रही हूँ? -2. One number is positive, one number is negative. जब दोनों नंबर अलग अलग साइन के होते हैं, यू नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द नंबर्स, ये याद रखना। अगर सेम साइन है तो आप ऐड करोगे, डिफरेंट साइन है तो आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे। 6 minus 2, आंसर इज 4। व्हाट इज द साइन ऑफ बिगर नंबर? 6 और 2 में कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है? इट इज 6 एंड 6 इज अ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर हियर, सो आंसर हैज टू बी +4। आप +4 लिखो या खाली 4 लिखो, दैट इज वन एंड द सेम थिंग। Try one more of this category. If I am adding, let's say 8 plus minus 6. One number is positive, one number is negative. What did I say? अगर एक पॉजिटिव एक नेगेटिव है तो आपको क्या करना है? You need to subtract the integers. 8 minus 6 कितना होता है? That is 2. What is the sign of bigger integer? 8 और 6 में 8 is bigger and it is a positive integer. Answer has to be +2. Interesting? If you pay attention, it will be as good as a game for you. Okay, so utilize your summer break well to practice these integers. You'll enjoy this topic in your school. Okay. Subtraction करने से पहले please learn how do we open the bracket. अगर integer is written like 6 plus minus 3, मुझे ये ब्रैकेट ओपन करना है ना। हमेशा जब ब्रैकेट के बाहर या अंदर किसी भी कॉम्बिनेशन में 1 पॉजिटिव एंड 1 नेगेटिव इज गिवन, नेगेटिव एवरी टाइम डोमिनेट्स। आप इस पॉजिटिव को भूल जाओगे। सो दिस क्वेश्चन विल बिकम 6 minus 2। अब 6 के पहले क्या साइन है? प्लस। सो 1 इंटीजर इज पॉजिटिव, 1 इंटीजर इज नेगेटिव। मैंने 2 को नेगेटिव क्यों बोला? ऑन द लेफ्ट ऑफ 2 देयर इज अ नेगेटिव साइन। ठीक है, 1 पॉजिटिव 1 नेगेटिव। तो हम क्या करते हैं ऐसे में? वी ऑलवेज सब्ट्रैक्ट द इंटीजर्स एंड साइन ऑफ बिगर इंटीजर इज पॉजिटिव, इट इज प्लस। यहाँ पे देखो, 1 प्लस आउटसाइड 1 माइनस इनसाइड। मैंने क्या बोला था? ब्रैकेट में अंदर बाहर किसी भी कॉम्बिनेशन में इफ 1 प्लस 1 माइनस इज देयर, आप प्लस को भूल जाओगे, ओनली माइनस विल कम। 3 minus 2, आंसर इज 1। Similarly, another question, -3 first integer, यहाँ पे तो एक ही है। If two positives are together, बेटा पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव कट के नेगेटिव नहीं बनेगा। If two positives are there, it will remain positive. So -3 plus 2, one number negative, one number positive. तो हम क्या करेंगे? अभी मैंने बताया था 1 positive 1 negative, always subtract। दोनों का डिफरेंस इज 1, साइन ऑफ बिगर नंबर नेगेटिव, आंसर इज -1। Another most interesting and important one is if two minuses are together. देखो, जब दो प्लस टुगेदर थे, प्लस ऑफ +2, हमने क्या किया था? हमने इनको कुछ कैंसिल नहीं किया था। इट वॉज जस्ट लाइक +2। बट इफ टू माइनसेस आर गिवन लाइक दिस, one inside and one outside the bracket, these two minuses are enemies of each other. आप ऐसे याद रखो, these two are enemies of each other. They will cancel out and it will ultimately become a positive 2. यहाँ देखो, question was -3 minus -2. ये subtraction का question है. But for that we need to open the bracket. इसीलिए I'm telling you the rules of opening the bracket. Minus minus, दुश्मन दुश्मन, it is cancelled. So what you are left with? -3 plus 2. अब तो ये एडिशन का क्वेश्चन बन गया, ये तो हमें आता है। 1 इंटीजर नेगेटिव 1 इंटीजर पॉजिटिव, क्या करेंगे? There has to be a difference. Subtract these numbers, that is 1. Sign of bigger number negative, answer is -1. Interesting? Okay, try this one quickly. Please try this one. फर्स्ट इंटीजर -5, -5 के लेफ्ट में तो कुछ है नहीं, इट विल बी -5 ओनली। एग्जैक्टली सिमिलर, 2 minuses together here. What should we do? 2 minuses together, minus and minus will be cancelled and it will become +6. 1 integer negative, 1 integer positive. What has to be done? Very good. Subtraction has to be done. The difference of 6 and 5 is 1. The sign of bigger number is positive. Answer is +1. Easy enough? Alright, let's go to the next slide. Please enjoy the topic where it is not at all scary. The more you practice, the more you will gain confidence. Next question now. These are the practice questions. that you have to do in your notebook. 1 or 2 I'm doing with you, rest you will do yourself. First, 1 integer positive, 1 integer negative. बेटा हम कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे प्लस है या माइनस है? 2 के लेफ्ट में कुछ नहीं है, दैट मीन्स इट इज +2 पॉजिटिव. 7 के लेफ्ट में क्या है? इट इज माइनस, तो इट इज अनदर वन इज -7. हमने माइनस को 7 के साथ ले लिया. 1 positive and 1 negative. What did I tell you? If 1 positive and 1 negatives are together, you need to subtract. दोनों का difference is 5. Which is bigger out of these two? 7 is bigger. Which is having minus sign? Answer is -5. It's as good as a game. Correct? Quickly solve this one. 1 negative, 1 no positive. What has to be done? It's a subtraction once again. Difference is 4. The sign of bigger number positive, it is +4. Alright, next one. ये आप आराम से कर सकते हो. Let me do the fourth one for you. कुछ confuse नहीं होना है. Fourth one question is -7, -4. 7 having negative on the left. It is negative. 4 is once again having negative at the left. It is also negative. ठीक है? 2 negatives together. जब 2 negative number एक साथ होते हैं, did I tell you? Please have a look here. What did I tell you? If 2 positives are together, you need to add. If 2 negatives are together, again you need to add. So that's what we are having here. 2 negatives are together, you need to add these two once again. So 7 plus 4, it's 11. What is the sign of bigger number negative? Answer is -11. Interesting? One more for this part. This you will do as a homework. Let's do this one. -7 minus -3. I hope you got the idea. First one is negative. देखो, 7 is having minus on the left. It is negative. 2 minuses together will get cancelled. So it is -7 plus 3. One number negative, one number positive. What has to be done? Difference. Very good. Difference is 4. Sign of bigger number negative. Answer is -4. ठीक है? Likewise, these may look different or difficult, but it is very easy. First of all, you will open the bracket. आप पहले bracket को solve करोगे and then you will merge two together. The number minus, answer is -17. ठीक है? So this is how you can practice the questions. Now, this is something very, very interesting and I want to give you a trick. When so many numbers are given, कुछ positive है, कुछ negative है, तो you may get confused at times. Best way out is pick out all the positives together. देखो, 2 के left में there is a plus, it is positive and it is also positive. इसके अलावा कुछ positive नहीं है. पहले सारे positives को एक साथ add करो. 2 plus 8, it is 10. Now take all the negatives together. देखो, जब मेरे पास negative together होते हैं, सारे number negative होते हैं, तो हम क्या करते हैं? We add the numbers and we just put a negative sign. अब 1 भी negative है, 6 भी negative है, 4, 9 ये सब negative है. So what you are going to do? -1, -6, -4, -9 सब तो negative है. We know that when negatives are together, just add all the numbers. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 6 16, plus 4 20. हमने सबको ऐड किया, बट अब सारे नंबर नेगेटिव है, आंसर पॉजिटिव तो नहीं हो सकता. सो दिस इज -20. आपका क्वेश्चन क्या कन्वर्ट हुआ? 10 minus 20. 10 is a positive integer. 1 positive, 1 negative. So what will you do? You know this very well. 1 positive, 1 negative, you need to take the difference. दोनों का difference is 10. Bigger number is negative, answer is -10. Interesting? Yeah? So I request, please practice all these questions and enjoy the topic well. You might get confused at times, so revisit the video again and again, and after some time you have a command on this question. ठीक है? जब आप ये कर लो, try doing your NCERT questions. I will be making another video where I'll be doing the NCERT questions. Correct? So I hope you enjoyed today's topic, right? And you will practice these questions at home. Correct? See you in the next video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.